Today I am sharing how to make tandoori tofu in the air fryer. This is protein packed and full of flavor tofu recipe which we all want with tofu to be flavorful. Extra firm tofu works here because it holds its shape well and it's great for air frying. Add curd, besan, green chili, ginger garlic paste, spices, oil and green chutney in a large mixing bowl. Mix everything well. Then add tofu block and toss well to get an even coating. Refrigerate for 15 minutes to marinate. Add tofu in a single layer to air fryer and cook for 10-15 minutes until slightly charred. Enjoy.